Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to my real estate investing adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it should always be an adventure. Thanks so much for joining me today. My name is Joe Jurek. I travel all over the country. I work with investors and groups just like you, helping people get started in real estate or take real estate to their next level. So I hope you follow me on my adventure. What are we going to talk about today? Trying to do your next deal. Now, often people ask me, Joe, how can I do a deal, or what are some of the steps? I'm going to try to break it down A through Z in doing a deal. What are we going to do today? The A's, right? Okay, so let's get going with the A. If I had to pick, the most important word for A in doing a real estate deal is taking action. So action is the word of the day. Now, what do I mean by taking action? Each day we get busy. We have responsibility, family, friends, work. Things come up all the time. It never seems like we have enough time in the day. And we always say, man, I wish I had more than 24 hours in a day. But here's the thing. If you can plan your day and you can take action with real estate, it doesn't have to be anything that's huge, like, okay, I want you to go and look at 10 houses today. Action might be placing a few ads, responding to ads, making a few phone calls, seeing numbers of houses that are for sale by owner as you drive by. Taking action involves a lot of different things other than just, I have to do so many things today. I don't want you to burn out. That's what I often see when I work with clients all over the country. Sometimes they get energized and they go like crazy for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then they burn out, and then they do nothing for 2, 3, 4 weeks. You got to pace yourself, almost like a marathon runner is going to pace himself throughout that race by taking action every day. So this is what I'd like you to do. What are you going to commit to do this month, maybe this week? If you have business cards, how many are you going to try to pass out every day? If you don't have them, you need to order them. If you believe in putting out bandit signs, how many signs are you going to put out? If you see ads out there on properties for sale, how many are you going to call on a day? A simple tip is if you call 5 ads a day, 5 days a week, 25 ads, 100 in a month. If you call 10 a day, in a week that's 50, that's 200 a month. So you want to take action every day. You want to make this happen. You want to make your dreams a reality. And what do you have to do? You just got to focus, put in that time, and you got to take action. That is step one. So get out there, put your action plan together, make this happen, make those dreams a reality. Don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the little red button or my face portrait and subscribe to my channel, because I always have a lot of good tips and golden nuggets to offer. So go make it a great day, great week, great month. I know you will. Until next time, live life in the moment with no regrets. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.